So I've been in the industry for approximately 10 to 12 years, driving most machines from diggers to loaders, bulldozers, anything from 1 to 50 tonne. 2 years ago I decided it was the right time to start my own business. Before I bought my machines, I started off doing operator hire, and then from there I was doing a lot of residential work, and when I bought the little machines I decided that it was quite a niche market to get in all the tight access. Specialise in anything from driveway extensions to residential house cuts, retaining walls, basement dig outs, and all the bigger stuff we just hire in the big gear, and all the mini tight access stuff we've got our little 3 diggers. I primarily run small machines. I have 2 1.7 tonne Hitachis, and we also have a 3 tonne as well. Reason being is that I think they're hugely underestimated in the industry with what they are capable of, and some of the spaces that they can get in and out of. I think the mini diggers are highly productive, especially if you have the right person pulling the levers. They cost almost nothing to run on fuel, and the workload that you can do with them when you do get into those tight spots under houses or through someone's back gate in their back lawn is just awesome. With the type of work that we do in the tight spaces, we really try and be as efficient as we can. So when we bought the new ZX17-5, it wasn't really an option for me not to put the A2 Attach Heli-Tilt on it. It goes 90 degrees each way, so it's 180 degrees total. And the grab bucket at the same time simultaneously with the Heli-Tilt, and it also has a hydraulic quick coupler on it, so there's minimal time wasted changing buckets and changing hoses, which we found out on our first machine that we had. A lot of the tight access work is really handy with this setup that we've got on here, because we've got nearly everything now that we can clip on the end of it. Rock breaker, we've got a pick, spade frames, we've got the grab bucket, which is just worth its weight in gold, and it really does make it so versatile when you're underneath one of those houses and you're limited to what you can get in and out. This is like a Swiss Army knife to us now, and it's really the full package. I'm really happy with the A2 Attach Heli-Tilt package. The service has been great, and I can't wait to put it to the test on some of the upcoming jobs that we've got coming for it.